Today, we're focusing on Bigbear.ai Holdings, ticker symbol BBAI, a company specializing in artificial intelligence and analytic solutions. As of June 2025, BBAI is trading around $4.20 per share, showing some recent upward momentum with a 4.5% increase in the last trading session. However, the stock has been in a general downtrend since 2021, falling from highs over $16 in 2022 to current levels near $4. Analysts have mixed views on BBAI's future price, with forecasts suggesting a range between $3.50 and $6 over the next year. Some data projects a potential decline of about 21% over the next year, indicating caution for long-term investors. 4, 5, 7. For trading BBAI, a short to medium-term swing trading strategy can be effective given its volatility and mixed signals. Start by monitoring key support and resistance levels. Support is near $4, which has held recently, while resistance lies around $4.50 to $5. Buying near support with confirmation from momentum indicators like RSI or MACD can help identify entry points. Use moving averages, such as the 20-day and 50-day, to gauge trend direction. If the stock price crosses above these averages with volume confirmation, it could signal a short-term bullish move. Conversely, if it falls below support or moving averages, consider exiting or shorting with tight stops. Risk management is crucial because BBAI operates in a competitive AI sector and is sensitive to market sentiment. Set stop-loss orders just below support levels to protect against sudden downturns. In summary, BBAI offers trading opportunities amid a downtrend with potential short-term rebounds. Combining technical analysis with strict risk controls can help navigate this stock's volatility effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more stock insights and trading strategies. This script is based on recent stock price data, analyst forecasts, and technical indicators from multiple financial sources. 1. https://finance.yahoo.com/quote/BBAI 2506-130000500/history. 2. https://ir.bigbear.ai/stock-data/historical-data. 3. https://www.cnn.com/markets/stocks/BBAI. 4. https://www.tradingview.com/symbols/NYSE-BBAI. 5. https://gov.capital/stock/BBAI-stock. 6. https://www.nasdaq.com/market-activity/stocks/BBAI/historical. 7. https://coincodex.com/stock/BBAI/price-prediction. 8. https://stockyinvest.us/stock/BBAI.